Well, you ever had a questionable stroke of genius? I did. I went to big box store last night. Got some two 12-foot 4x4s, a couple 8-foot 4x4s, and I think I'm going to raise the body up on this, build some basically bucks with those, hold the body up and roll the chassis out. Don't know if it's going to work, actually. It'll either work or it'll be a giant disaster, or I just wasted, 80 bucks worth of lumber. Then if it does work, I'll be questioning, why did I not do this before? Because that would have made getting it this far much, much easier. So that's what we're going to start with today. But before I get to that, since I'm in woodworking mode, I want to put a little top on that. That little mat thing keeps wadding up and I don't like it. Yeah, much better. And this treated lumber is soaking wet. They're going to go basically like that. Find the middle here. So basically I'm just going to take the skill saw, figure out the depth, cut here, carve that out a little bit, make a notch in it for that to sit in. Nice. All right, I got the upright marked up on both sides. Cut out this side. Got the bandsaw set up. Nice snug fit there. Ooh, that's gonna be tall. Drill a hole in there. Put a bolt in it. One more to go. We got both the feet done. Got these cut for angle supports. Drill through here, put a bolt in it, attach those. Do the top. Over the top one here. I just want to do all that. Well, with every good plan A, there should be a better plan B. After building those, realizing how tall this thing was going to be, and plus I don't even think it would clear the ceiling, came up with a plan B. 4 dollies. So now the plan, I'm still going to use those, they just won't be as tall. Now the plan is to take the body bolt, take all the body mounts off. Have to undo a few things before I can do that. And I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit, then lower the frame down and roll it out. And it should be easier on those with casters to get it lined back up and move it around. Those are 5,000 pounds a pair, so that should hold 10,000 pounds. This thing, I think dry is 55-ish, and of course with all this stuff gone, it's even less than that. But to get to the point where I have to separate these, I have to take the harness off the front, which just runs along the frame right here. Power steering pump. It's going to take the master cylinder off and let it hang, but I do have to take the power steering pump off, the fan control, a few of those little things, and the parking brake cable. Parking brake cable runs through the top and over onto the frame. A little bent. All right, that part's loose. This part is a cotter pin, holding pin. Nice cheap pliers. Come on, there we go. Leave that spring hanging. Just leave that right there. sit that back in here and just put the broken cotter pin in it so I don't lose it. There we go. And that one's already unhooked. That went to the fan or cooler. Oh, there's some in here somewhere. There. I might have to get it. I always like to do that, just in case. This thing starts leaking. Screw it back in right quick. I think we're good. that drain. I think that one can stay on there. Well, stand up. There you go. Let that drain a few minutes. Of course. Really? Twice? Okay, fine. That's all right. I don't think you'll like sitting on that anymore, would you? I think we're pretty much